Today, we're going to turn fall into Halloween. So let's get started. I have a collection of DIYs, things that I bought this year and things that I've had on hand that I'm going to be incorporating in today. First, we're going to start with the easy DIYs. So I have this pumpkin. It was orange. I have seen this all over Pinterest, so I decided to give it a go. It's very difficult to patch up the inside. Just a little bit of a warning. It's not quite that easy. We are using the Chalk Linen White by Rust-Oleum, and I spray painted it outside. It took 4 coats. I had to do it in short kind of lines, you just kind of do it in short spurts. I did not film that because it's messy and I don't want to get my camera dirty, and I'm the only one to film, but that's how it looks. Next, we're going to take one of these styrofoam pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, and this is going to be an easy 5-minute DIY. We're going to take this ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and you can find that in the sewing section. So because this is styrofoam, we don't even need to use any glue with it. I'm just cutting it to size. And then we're going to do 3 strips. So I don't know however long that is. If that is, I don't know if that's 12 inches, but that's how long it is. Anyways, you just measure it around the pumpkin. We're going to do 3 of these. We are going to trim them all the same size. And then we're going to go ahead and put them on our pumpkin. And I am just using straight pins. Now, if you want to use hot glue and would rather use hot glue, of course, go right ahead, use your hot glue. But I'm trying to save this ribbon because I think I want to reuse it for Christmas time. So I'm just going to use the straight pins that I have. And you have to pin both sides of it because it does have holes. And you also want to make sure that you're kind of putting the ribbon on at a diagonal there, not directly across from the other one, like not exactly perpendicular, just kind of slanted a little bit. And it did only take 3. So I'm just going to cut that. We're going to pin those on. And I think that makes a nice decoration. So then after we pin this on, we're going to go ahead, and I have some of this ribbon. Now I'm trying to think where I got this. I may have ordered this online off of Etsy, but it's the same thing here. I'm just going to take some straight pins that I have, and I'm just going to go ahead and stick those in. It's perfect that this pumpkin is styrofoam, so this really lends itself well to this kind of DIY. So once I get all the straight pins in the back and on the sides, I'm going to go ahead and just tie a bow. And there you have it. A cute little 5-minute, literally 5-minute pumpkin. The next thing we're going to do is I have 3 of these wooden tags. Now I got these off of Amazon. I can link them below for you. I do have an Amazon store. We're using Snow White by Apple Barrel, and we're just going to paint 2 coats of Apple Barrel on these tags. We're going to paint the front and the back. We're just going to loop some jute through, and then I have these kind of vintage looking stickers, and we're going to take these vintage looking stickers and just stick it on there, and that makes a little boo tag. All right, let's get to decorating. So I'm starting with my little ghost garland here, and I took down my leaf garland that I had for fall. So I've just taken a few things down, and we're going to go ahead and incorporate some other things in. And I'm just going to let the music play. this is my fall tray, and I got this tray from Amazon. I have links below for that also. This little pillow came from a shop called Southern Spangled. It's so adorable. And I cannot remember the shop where I got this. I will link it below, the little mummy, but I did get that through Etsy. So I do have a video for how I styled this tray here, but we're gonna change it up, and I knew when I styled it that I was gonna be changing it up for Halloween. And so that's what we're doing here today.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away, standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
I just decided to switch out one of my little pumpkins on my mantle. I thought that it would look perfect in this tray. And here's the tray all finished. I just love that little ghost. It's so sweet, and the mummy. And I thought the skeleton would make an interesting touch too. So I'm going to go ahead and set it here next to my fireplace. And now that I've set it next to my fireplace, I have an empty spot in my kitchen that I'll be decorating in just a few minutes. This is a DIY that I did last year, and I have several, along with the one that I put on the wreath. I will link those below for you in case you're interested in watching them. So now I have an empty spot in my kitchen, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this sign here. Now I've had this sign for a few years now, and I believe it came from Kirkland's. And so you're just going to see me try a couple of different things here to get this the way that I want it. It's just trial and error. If you like to decorate and you enjoy it, you know that that's how it is. This little house came from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was so cute. I just found it. I put up several things on my Instagram stories that I found in the Dollar Tree. And I tend to put Dollar Tree stuff in my stories because Dollar Tree stuff can go so quickly. It's really hard for me to get a video out in a timely manner for Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in following me on Instagram, you will see me do some Dollar Tree stories and show you what's in the stores there. I think one of those large tobacco baskets from the spring shop at Hobby Lobby might be a nice backdrop for those jack-o'-lanterns. and I've been meaning to go there anyway and check out and see if they have Christmas stuff. So maybe I will head over there. If I could get one of those baskets discounted quite a bit, I think that might be nice to put behind my jack-o'-lanterns and in front of my fireplace, like black hole that's there. Thank you so much for watching today. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Consider sharing it with someone else who you think would enjoy it. Don't forget the links that I have for you below of everything that I've mentioned. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.